Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. I am your friend and finance guru CA Vishal Thakkar, back again with an interesting topic of discussion. Since the last few episodes that I've been uploading with GR sir, all of us are enjoying the whole journey and we're getting enlightened from what he has to say. But you know what, GR sir, a few friends of mine who are working in the finance department, they complained saying that, you know what, you have not done any specific video for us. So why don't you ask GR sir that what lies in our future? With so many changes coming into technology, blockchain, robotic process automation, GST going real time, how can a finance professional shape himself in future and keep himself updated? So why don't you throw some light on that aspect of it?
Vishal, I think it's a very important question. And I think there are certain misnomers, friends, which need to be erased from your system. Like what? Finance professionals are here to stay forever. And I state that, Vishal, categorically. And if you ask me the reason why, it's very simple. We can have artificial intelligence, we can have robotics, we can have machine learning, but remember one thing, none of them can be innovative on their own. They need data analytics, and then they come with a habit and a pattern and they give the answers. Financial professionals are much beyond routine. They are supposed to be innovative. They are supposed to be thinking out of the box. You are supposed to, more importantly, come up with intelligent, innovative, and disruptive financial structures which help the economy, help the industry, help the situation in the deal that is being done. For example, if it's a cross-border deal, please understand an AI cannot help you, because the laws of one land are not the same as that of another country. So AI can never match the two. Obviously, AI will give you a mismatch. So we are safe there. Financial professionals are needed. You can't do without finance professionals there. Take an M&A. An M&A needs finance professionals to understand both the parties who want to get into a merger or an acquisition or an amalgamation. Now, in this case, what happens is that there are certain areas of common interest for both the companies or both the participants, and there are certain areas which can be routine, which don't need much intervention. But the structuring of who holds what, which company is going to control, and what will be the shareholding, it cannot be done by technology. Having said that technology plays a role, technology can play a great role in the routine and the non-inspiring. But technology cannot play a great role when it comes to innovation, more so financial innovation, and that too in a highly competitive market which is of a global order, where global boundaries are virtually going away. We are having cross-border transactions taking place, and we need to be thinking differently in structuring the same product between two different countries. The results will be different, but the goal will be the same. You need to be growing your company. You need to be having structures. In one company, you may do a merger. In another company, you may have a subsidiary. In a third situation, you may have waterfall structures. So it depends on which one suits you the best, because after all, at the end of the day, a finance professional, be it a financial controller or a CEO or a vice president of finance, is interested equally in wealth creation, at the same time abiding with the laws of the land, at the same time ensuring that the listing requirements are adhered to, and also ensuring that we are not creating any structure which is going to be against the law of the country in which we are going to operate. So finance professionals will have to be on their toes. They will be the thinking mind, and AI or ML can at best be an enabler. They can't be strategizing. So please remember, Technology will be only an enabler to the financial professionals, and the finance professionals will be at the forefront of leading the change. So, finance professionals, we are all safe so long as we are ahead of the pack, thinking ahead and also acting in unison and ensuring that we are innovative and create solid financial structures. Thank you.
So I think the writing is clear on the wall that all the finance guys need to innovate in order to stay relevant.
Absolutely, Vishal, and they are safe.
Okay.
Technology cannot replace them.
Well, that's a very relieving message because I myself am a finance professional. So thank you very much, GR, for this one. And I'm going to request you to add one more episode to our series because I've got a lot of requests. And in our next episode, I'm going to ask a very pertinent question to him. So please stay tuned. And I would like to thank all of you for giving wonderful comments, appreciation, and encouragement for us to bring in a lot of experts on this channel. And I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And one thing, friends, that if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, subscribe today, our channel, Finance Tube.